Hello, and welcome to this short video on the Kupo Wood Break-Up Cucoloris. Hey, new guy, give me a cookie right away. Not that cookie, get what I asked for. The wooden thing with the pieces cut out of it. Much better. Now get me another cookie, I'm hungry. And get me a cup of coffee while you're at it. A cucoloris, or cookie as the pros call it, is a piece of wood with shapes cut out of it to break up the light or create a pattern or shadow in the background that resembles leaves created by a tree. These Kupo cookies come in two sizes, 18 by 24 inches and 24 by 36 inches, and the mounting pin can be changed between horizontal and vertical mounting positions using a 6mm Allen key and a 13mm wrench. Cookies feature a 3/8 inch pin that is designed to fit in grip heads or grip arms. Let's add the cookie to our grip arm by turning the handle counterclockwise. Then slide the pin into the 3/8 inch hole. Now tighten the handle to secure. You see that the cookie breaks up the light nicely. You can change how hard or soft the shadows are by varying the distance between the light and the cookie. The further you move your cookie away from the light source, the more defined your shadows will be. What took you so long? Now's no time for a snack break. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, I like to say, never let go.